Ever imagined laughing all the way to the bank with memes? Uncover a unique blend of humor and earnings in the virtual world of Dank Memer. Stay tuned, as every punchline could be a cash line in disguise. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into the laugh-out-loud world of Dank Memer, where humor translates into coins. Stick around till the end, as each chuckle could be ching-ching in your virtual wallet. Dank Memer is this quirky Discord bot that brings a lot of humor and a unique economy system into your server. You get to earn virtual currency called coins through various activities, and it's here where the essence of making money begins. The bot's humorous nature makes earning coins not just profitable, but also enjoyable. Now, just having coins isn't enough. The real trick lies in using punchlines to captivate your audience, which in turn boosts your earnings. It's about striking a balance between humor and engagement, all while keeping the coin count ticking. Engaging conversations are the heart of any active Discord server. Dank Memer lets you speak the language of the internet. Memes. Incorporating popular memes and punchlines relevant to your audience can ignite lively conversations, making your server a fun place to hang out. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged. The more engaged they are, the more likely they are to participate in the Dank Memer economy system, which in turn can increase your profits. It's a circle of laughter leading to earnings. Creating unique and shareable content is where you can really shine. Dank Memer offers various commands and features to craft original memes. It's about being unique and relatable, and creating content that resonates with your audience. The more original your content, the higher the chances of it being shared. And as it gets shared, your reach expands, and so does your potential for profit. It's a simple formula. Unique content equals more shares, which equals wider reach, and eventually, higher profits. Enjoying our journey? Ensure it never ends. Click subscribe, throw a like, and hit the bell for more endless adventures. Eager for the next step? Let's plunge back in. Dank Memer isn't just about memes and coins, it's a community. Regular events organized by Dank Memer are excellent opportunities to rake in more coins. Participating actively in these events can open up more avenues for profits. Engage your server members, encourage them to join the events, and create a competitive yet fun atmosphere. It's not just about winning, it's about fostering a community that enjoys humor and competition, which can attract more users to your server. Now let's shift gears and talk about optimizing your content for profit. Just like in the world of online marketing, SEO techniques can be a game changer even in a Discord server, especially when you're aiming to drive profits through Dank Memer. Keyword research isn't just for Google, it applies here too. Identify terms and phrases that resonate with your target audience and incorporate them into your punchlines and content. It's about being discoverable, even in a sea of memes. Headlines or titles of your memes are like the bait. Crafting compelling headlines can spark curiosity and entice users to engage with your content. Use words that evoke emotions or humor, leading to more clicks and interactions. Quality and diversity in content keep things fresh and exciting. Mix up your content with different styles of punchlines, memes, and jokes. It's about keeping your audience on their toes, always looking forward to what comes next. Link building might sound formal, but in the Dank Memer universe, it's about creating alliances. Collaborate with other Discord servers or meme pages, cross-promote each other, and expand your reach. It's about creating a network that appreciates good humor and shares the love for memes. In conclusion, Dank Memer isn't just a bot, it's a platform to turn humor into profit. Engaging conversations, unique content, active event participation, and content optimization are the keys to unlocking the profit potential of Dank Memer. The journey with Dank Memer is filled with laughter, engagement, and a unique flavor of profitability. So dive in, explore the humorous world of Dank Memer, and watch as your coins pile up. Who knew making money could be this fun? Still attentive? Your dedication is about to unveil a gem. Submerge into a free ebook revealing the zenith of online businesses to fire up today. But hold on, the voyage doesn't conclude there. Beyond the ebook, an exhilarating 15-day challenge arises, scrupulously fashioned for this digital saga. With astute mentoring, revolutionary insights, and a reservoir of startup tools, your road to online magnificence is mapped. Can you sense the emerging opportunity? Act with precision. Hit the link in the description this moment and propel yourself into a realm of digital victory. Signing off from today's Digital Wealth Session. Tried the strategy? Any questions or stories? Your comments are pure gold. Struck a chord with today's financial tune? Hit that like as a tip for the performance. Want to keep the monetary melodies playing? Subscribe and ring the bell to always be in the concert of earning. Pause. See that video note on your screen? It's another symphony of online earning strategies. Click and let's keep orchestrating your financial success together. Until the next note.